You know what was the biggest fear? The biggest fear of myself whenever I used to stand in front of people, let it be a small group or big group, let it be a one-to-one speaking or a group speaking or a speaking in front of a big elevated stage. The biggest fear was whether I am speaking a good English or not. Guys, let me tell you my example. I haven't learned English from any teacher. Any teacher means I'm not talking about the school's English. You all believe that, you must be believe that whatever we have been taught in the school was not that enough. First of all, you should believe in that, because that was a basic English, and no matter what you are on that particular stage, it was just as a formality. This is my perspective. Your perspective may be different. Yes, whatever I have learned in my school was just a formality, and I don't force my belief on you. I don't ask you to believe what I believe. So whatever I have learned in my school was just a formality, and whatever I have learned in my real practical life, that was my real learning. I have not taken a official training on English. Whatever I have learned while people speaking, while copying, while intimating. So this is the thing which I have learned. So I always used to think whether I am really speaking a good English or not. Am I good in English? But the way I am started speaking that, even today I know my English is not at that much level, but the way I have learned, or whatever I have learned, is quite sufficient where I can pass my message to anyone, and that is sufficient, I believe that. So my perspective is that whether you are speaking good English or not, let it be, try to speak at least. And this is a very good platform which Mr. Praveen has started. Irrespective of your caste, religion, age, the color of your skin, or your from any background, you have this beautiful platform where you can come and speak at least for 5 to 7 minutes, and that 5 to 7 minutes prove how good you are in speaking. I know no one is perfect. This is all the practice session with everyone, where we can share your perspective about everything. So here in this video I am sharing my perspective about the English speaking. We all know we are not perfect, but why we look after, why we chase that perfection. I know even a 1 year or 2 years down the line, my English will not be as that much. Let us not compare with Shashi Tharoor and everyone. Those are the different planet people. So I don't want to compare Mr. Shashi Tharoor on this. But at the same time, what I can say, whatever you have learned, whatever you have been taught so far on the English, try to speak whatever you want to, what you could speak. So my English is good or bad is a secondary. Whether I am able to convey my message effectively, whatever the English I have today, with that English I can able to pass my message. So guys, in my view, in my perspective, I don't look after my English, whether I speak bad, good, worst, anything. That is, you are going to decide. And hence I request you all to share your valuable feedbacks on my video, so that I will learn from your feedbacks, and I can learn and speak much better English. This is my perspective. Your perspective may be different. The other way, if you really feel that your English is not good, whether you are taking that much efforts to make it better, I am taking that efforts. As of now. I have started my spoken English journey in just 1.5 years back, where I have started referring many more books. I have started reading self-help book. I have watching YouTube videos how to speak. Even today I am watching videos on vocabulary. I am watching videos on idioms and phrases. This is how I can learn, or you can learn. So according to me, this is my suggestion. You are free to take or reject it. In my video, you should not think about your English. You should think about whether I am spending enough time to learn English, and I am spending enough time on practice, because I strongly believe that there is only one way to learn English, or only one way to speak English, that is speaking English. So guys, this is Vishal More signing out until we meet next.